am going to be starting my YouTube channel. Yeah! Everyone has been on me about it. They're like, Jay, you're natural at this. You can do it. My girlfriend Carla literally got in my ass yesterday about this. I'm going to be doing a couple of things. My cousin Thomas, Tamara, everyone has been on me. So I'm going to make this official. This will be my first, I do have videos on my channel. There's something about Dacia. Click the link below to subscribe. You guys know I get shit popping. This will be like my first test run video. You guys know I purchase items with my own money. I like to promote the product if the product is good. So all my brothers and sisters could go out, try this product. You guys know I'm always supporting my people, always helping my people. But there was this one product that I got, and the packaging was like so horrible, and I had to do this first video about it. So it's called Kaoir Thigh Eraser. As you guys can see, I have it on, and it lifts your booty and stuff like that. It's from a scale from 1 to 10. It is a 9. I rode my bike in it yesterday, took it off. I'm going to do like a full tutorial on this, but it really works. It like sweated out my thighs. So it does do what it says. But, you know, for a public figure and someone that has their name on a product, when a person like me, I'm a stay-at-home girlfriend. That is my logo. That's my slogan. When you get a product, you want to the first thing that you're eyeballing is the packaging. So I got this product, I think it was on Monday, and it came in postal service, and this was what the package came in. Okay? And came with this little piece of paper that they just took and printed out. I paid, the grand total was $119.71. Yeah, that's what I paid for this. All right, know how to return it on a small print. All sales are final, okay? And you could email customer service, blah, blah, blah. That's what's on there, okay? It's that. And then it's a little pamphlet here with other items that you could purchase. All right. So why I was upset is because you would think for someone that has their name logoed on a product and has a makeup line and on Instagram popping bottles and iced out, that your packaging will be in a pretty purple pink box with a bow and really cute, that it will come in this shitty ass United States postal envelope is a goddamn shame. All right, I was very disappointed. And I sent an email, and the response I got was, we're sorry for the dismay with to hear my dismay of the package. You know, they send out so many packages, and it goes through so many hands, and it's in transit, and we have no control over how USPS handles its packages. Clearly, you don't understand what I'm speaking about, okay? What I'm speaking about is logoing your packaging correctly, okay? This is what we call cute packaging, all right? This is just 1 out of 3. I got 2 more of these here. These boxes coming. I haven't even done a revealing of this, okay? This is what we call cute packaging. The same amount of money that I paid for this is almost the same amount I paid here. Just a couple more dollars more, all right? This is what we call cute packaging, all right? Now I'm going to show it here. Some summertime here, right? Cute packaging. And look, you get extra little trinkets. Okay? You get cute, and look at this. You get cute little trinkets. All right? Cute little things. This is what we call cute packaging. When you're done, you put your little hair back in there, okay? Look at this packaging. This is from a company, this woman just started this, called Pure Energy. This is our body butter, okay? Shipped with United States Postal Service, okay? This is what we call cute packaging. Cute packaging. It's a small-time company. It's what we call cute packaging. She also sells sea moss. You gotta see the jar. And she's not just giving a bullshit-ass mason jar. She decked out the mason jar. So you could just reuse it. It has her logo on it. And she put a cute little bow on it. That's what I'm talking about. Cute packaging. Packaging to us small-time people is everything. All right? That's what we're talking about. Packaging. And I know I'm not the only one that felt this way when they got this item or any item from this company. You guys have got to work on packaging. A lot of us are quarantined. I'm talking about us females and men too. A lot of us are quarantined, you know, we're trying to look sexy, especially for our man and stuff, getting that body right, keeping our face looking sexy and glowing. You know, we're spending our money, whatever little we have or we're getting. You know, packaging is everything, especially when you are on social media popping bottles, you're working out by your poolside. It's us that's making you rich. You don't know how we're getting this money to buy your product. Okay, just keep that in mind. So I would say to you the next time, you know, you send an email like this, think about what you say. I'm just saying. All right? Because I know I wasn't the only one that felt this way about this horrible ass packaging. All right? Just a heads up. I'm just saying. So to all you guys following me, like the link below, subscribe to my channel. There's much more to come. I hate that this had to be my first video like this, but you know, packaging is everything. 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 There's something about Dacia. Click the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Also, there's something about Dacia. There's also another platform that I have, Fluffy with the Cute Face. For those of you that know, I did lose weight, and I will continue to keep that name always for my fluffy girls. I support my people all the time. I have so much stuff coming up. You guys stay positive, stay motivated, but most of all, stay healthy. That is the most important thing. Watch what we put into our bodies. Mwah, 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 mwah.